What's up, y'all? It's a football here once again with another unboxing. This time around, it's of just one collection, and it's the one that they released for Gear 5. Yes, just saying, release Gear 5 gear. A little bit later than I wanted. Like compared to Village Hidden and Iron, they released theirs pretty much, I think maybe the week of Gear 5. So this is a little pushback, but it's better than nothing, right? And plus, then I can wear this over this, so I want to go to the gym. So let's go. Let's get to it. Came in this little box wrapped around and everything, so I'm trying to cut everything off right now. All right, so we finally opened the box. Now let's just go through each one. It doesn't matter because it's all Gear 5. So we're just gonna open it up, and whatever is in these bags, we'll be surprised together. So the first bag consists of, I want to say these are the low cut shorts. Nice. So we'll open these up. So we did get both of the shorts, low and high. So they put this with the low cut shorts here. Look at that. Look at that. Get that aura, the Conquer aura, and then the clouds on it too. And of course, the purple band. And we also had those holes and put both shorts in there together. So the low and high cut. High cut I mainly got for leg days, even though it's probably gonna get dirty, but it's gonna turn into a gray. So they're gonna be not as, I mean, it's not that bad. As you can see, they already have some grays on there, so it's gonna just blend in a little bit more wear and tear, I guess you could say how it looks. But high cut and low cut, both are extra large. Next, what do we get? Ooh, looks like these might be the tank tops. See? Ooh, I think tank top and zip up hoodie. So, both tank tops, Razor, and the skins one we got. And this is the Razor. No, is it? No, it's the regular. I thought it would look kind of like the Razor at first. Because on the back, it kind of looked like it was going in, but it was just folded. So let's back up a bit. Bam, look at the detail. And then the front. Of course, I always like these skin ones. Because it kind of just like perfect use for like cosplaying and stuff. I don't have to worry about putting a tattoo on. Or any of that stuff. Or a scar mark. But I'm still debating right now for my cosplay set for Gear 5. If I want to go with the tank top or the Razor, so that's what we're going to have to see when we try these on. I'm thinking tank top, because the Razor might be a bit too thin on the straps and the hoodie, you know what I mean? It might see through, and plus you get more cloud detail like that. See how it's pretty thin? Let me get up real quick. So you see the little thin strap on the Razor compared to this. So you get a little bit more skin in that, but if you just want cloud, you pretty much guarantee more cloud. Don't know if I showed it off good, but oh well. We'll have a more detailed video later on. Next is the sleeveless zip hoodie, my favorites. So this one will be what I'll wear over one of those in the cons. And you got the hood. We unzip, and inside has the Gear 5. We just saw that on the tag right now. Right there, look at that. Gum Gum Fruit and the Gear 5 laughing. That's so cool. Let's throw those up here. And next is, oh, this is the hoodie. So they have the zip up sleeveless hoodie, and now this is the zip up long sleeve hoodie. I wanted to get another one of these because I only have one I really use, and it's the Koski one. But bam, so same thing, but this one I think is gonna have a little bit more on the inside. Let's check it out instead of just oh no, actually it doesn't. It's just all around the thing. I thought it had a little bit more on the inside before. I think it might be the bomber jacket instead. So same thing, not the Not on the inside of there. It's just a little bit, just basically like the sleeveless hoodie, but just now with the sleeve. So you get a little extra details with the arms if you want that. And then the back, and the Jet Saiyan logo right there. Now is the bomber jacket. Now bomber jackets are the ones that I think usually have the detail on the inside. If you want like inner lining, it's the bomber jackets. As you can see, it's whatever was on the top with the hoodie. And then just get closer. So I'm just saying on the collar. And then up there, it's the laugh with the gum fruit. Or Nico fruit if you want to be more specific now. Nika, I think, right? But there's the sleeve with the detail. Let me see if I can get it. Stand up maybe a little easier. Get that sleeve. And then the other sleeve is the same thing I want to say. Could be wrong. Let me check the detail out on it. No, the sleeves are not the same. It's probably, as you can see, let's see if we can compare them straight up. So there's the sleeves. You can tell that they're a bit different. The kanji on them are different on both sides. One's a little longer, of course, and then of course you see the symbols are different. Which is cool. I like that it's different sleeves. I don't hate it, but I hate that's a strong word. I just like it when two sleeves are different. Sometimes it's cool when they're both the same, but at the same time it's cool when they're not. So we're on the last one. This is my first pullover hoodie. I've never bought pullover hoodies before because I don't like pullover hoodies. This is Gear 5. I decided to buy it. So the reason I don't like pullover hoodies is the fact that you have to pull over. I like to zip, take off, zip, take off, zip up, zip off, zip off. That's why I like the zip up hoodies. But they feel pretty nice. Never have used one before. Once again, the lining, no lining on the inside for the bomber jacket. They're just like the sleeveless hoodies, but I think the material is different from those. It feels like it keep you warmer. Could be wrong. As you can see, I'm going to put it inside out. Just like the sleeveless hoodies. Just on the detail on the, basically the lining part of like right here in the hoodie. And then inside the sleeves, you have it the cuffs. So overall, great things. And of course, the same thing as the bomber jacket has it on the sleeves with the kanji. But overall, I'm happy with this. We're going to go try it on right now. So we got our clothes. And, well, that's the razor. We actually took the razor by accident. Oh no. There we go. So we got the tank top on. And we're going to put this on. See how we go. We're going to be ready. With the camera. And here we go. And we're back, y'all. As you can see, we got what I think is going to be my cosplay set. So let's move this out of the way. We got the jacket, sleeveless hoodie, nice show off some of your guns, and then the front with the cloud detail, the aura, the scar. Like I was mentioning, I'd rather get the shirt that has it on there, so I don't have to worry about aesthetics or anything. Even though I mentioned tattoo, but it's the same thing. Scar is kind of like a tattoo, it's permanent. But overall, I am impressed with what they came up with. That's why I'm like, yeah, they didn't come out at the release time as I was hoping for, but overall, still good. As you can see, got a nice little cloud detail right here. The aura's still there. Me almost falling. And yeah, I'm happy with this. Can't wait to wear it. Right now I won't be able to much because it's kind of cold. But That's why I got the jackets, so I can wear those. The only thing that I wish that they released at the same time was the sweater. I have not gotten the sweater yet either. But if they did the sweater, I was hoping it would be like kind of like this kind of purple with like maybe white on the cuffs or something. You've seen their sweaters on the, well, go look at their sweaters if you haven't seen them. Sweaters on there are pretty nice, pretty solid. I'd probably get one of those eventually, but I was hoping it would be a little Gear 5 one. But we'll just take this jacket off. So it's kind of like how Luffy is anyways. He has his jacket, but yeah, so we can show everything there. Put it off to the side, to the back, to the side again, and back to the front. We'll walk up so you can see the detail of this on someone. So you got the little cuffing for your boobs, the abs. So yeah, I can't complain with this set. I'm happy. Overall, Gear 5 coming soon to you near a gym. Hopefully pretty soon, maybe in a little bit, because right now it's gonna be cold for a few days. But anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you enjoy. Take care. Peace.